everyone. I am not a YouTuber, just to let you know. I'm just doing this because Super sent me these fog lights. They're 7-inch fog lights. And they asked me to do an instructional video. This is not my normal thing that I do, but we're going to do it for them because they were nice enough to do this for me. So we'll go ahead and do the unboxing, and then we'll try and do the install. It should go pretty smoothly, pretty quick. There's not really a lot to it from what I've seen, but SuperView was very nice to send me these lights. They're 7-inch fog lights. So let's check them out. We got here, pretty nice looking fog light. We got our mounts, our bolts, and a very nice looking light. So we're gonna go ahead, kind of get this set up, find out what tools I need, and we'll get these bad boys on there. Very good looking light.
Yeah, that's not the right size. This is here. Mine's the right size. Loose, really.
Alright, so in my case, I'm going to use the factory Torx bit bolts. I'm going to take these two out here. I already turned my bush guard bar around. The bolts that came with it, 17 millimeter. Pretty much a basic, easy process, not a lot to it. I picked up some basic wire to run up to the auxiliary switches because with having the Rubicon, I have the option of, I got 4 auxiliary switches that I've already used for my light bars and stuff. So I'll just be running the wire to the auxiliary switch. Now have our fog lights on there. So what we're going to do is we're going to route this up behind the back of the grill. And like I said before, for the Rubicon, I have auxiliary switches. So we're going to tie in right here on our auxiliary switch from the inside so we could flip them on and off. So, and then we'll just hook the negative up. Don't worry, I'm just showing the wires and connecting them. To show every aspect, but if I could show at least one of the wires getting done, then obviously they know how to do the 2 other frickin' wires. I'll just re-go over this with new sound. I'll actually do I forget what they call that.
That way they see that you put shrink wrap on it so you don't get called to the... Okay.
Alright. So as you can see, we still gotta fix this here. But basically we ran it the bottom up through the sides. I have aftermarket fenders, and we came out right here. Now we are running through here, and then we are hooking to my 2 auxiliaries here, which would be my red and yellow. And so we tied into our factory auxiliary switches because it's a Rubicon, so we got that luxury. And we shrink wrapped them in. And basically at this point we are just going to, we just got our black wire that needs to be ran to our post on the battery. And then we are pretty much good to go, and we'll see if it blows up or if it works. All right. All right, test 1. Let's see, because it's got 2 different. I need you to tell me if I don't know which one's which.
That's the center lights, and the other ones was the other lights.
So it does work the side lights different?
Huh? Yeah, there's 2 different lights on it.
So 4 is with the center.
That's the color light.